Hi, this is Clancy from VBAcourses.com. In this video we're going to learn how to use VBA's breakpoints and stepping features to watch each line of your VBA program as it runs. Step 1 is to open the spreadsheet with the protection on-off macro from Lesson 5. If you haven't completed Lesson 5 already, join the free course at VBAcourses.com. For Step 2, open the Visual Basic window. One way to do this is to press Alt F11. Step 3 is to click anywhere between the sub and end sub lines. You should see the protection on-off name appear in the top right hand corner of the screen here. For Step 4, press F8. This is the shortcut key for Step Into from the debug menu. If you forget the shortcut, you can look into the debug menu and see it there. After you push F8 for the first time, you will see a yellow arrow and highlight on the first line. This indicates the line of code that will run the next time you press F8. I'll now press F8 a few more times. You can see the yellow arrow and highlight move to show the next line that will run. After we push F8 on the message box line, the message box is displayed. Are you sure you want to unprotect the sheet? We'll click No, and you can see that the code here inside the if statement didn't run. That's because the if statement was looking for a response of yes. I'll click F8 a few more times and we get to the end subline and the program stops running. This time I'll push F8 again and click yes, and you can see now that we're running the code to unprotect the sheet and show the sheet protection removed message box. I'll do that one more time, pushing F8. You can see that this time, because the sheet is unprotected when the macro starts, we're coming down to the else portion of this if statement. We protect the sheet and show the message saying sheet protection added, and pushing F8 to end the program. As your programs become longer and more complex, you may not want a single step from the start of your programs. You can use a breakpoint to start stepping from a specific line within your code. Let's say we just want to step into the code that unprotects the sheet. I click on that line, push F9, and you can see the red highlight and circle to indicate that I've added a breakpoint. The next step is to run the program. This time I'll run the program from the Excel window with the button here. So the program starts, and we're not single stepping at this stage because we haven't reached the breakpoint. It's asked if we want to unprotect the sheet. If I say yes, we're now about to run the unprotect line, and you can see that shown with the yellow highlight and also the red highlight from the breakpoint. If I push F8 again, that code steps through as it did before, and we get the message box saying sheet protection removed. One final tip: if you want to leave the stepping mode and run the program normally, press F5. This is the shortcut key for continue from the run menu, or you can push the green play arrow here on the toolbar. So using the step into feature with the F8 key, we were able to see the program as it was run line by line, seeing which lines were ran and what each line did. This can help you learn VBA programming by letting you see what is happening, and also helps find problems in complex VBA programs. Thank you for watching. Please check our website www.vbacourses.com for more information.